Tell me you're a kid without telling me you're a kid. I have this tiny little white fridge that is impossible to like actually like clean in between the tracks. This bedway is like, you probably think it'll go behind me. Get closer. This is probably like overkill, but I still want to like wipe it down really good with some sort of like product because I would like my shit clean because our food obviously goes in here. It probably would be fine if you didn't do this. This is just what I do. It's super hot out right now, so I'm not sure if like using a steamer is like probably the best activity to be doing. But I got this new steamer off TikTok shop, and my fridge is a pain to clean because they have so many nooks and crannies that are hard to get to. So this bad boy has helped me a lot to like get into like the tracks, and when everything leaks, it leaks to this bottom shelf, and it just makes the whole fridge stink. Tell me you're a kid without telling me you're a kid. Gross.